What's good, YouTube? This is Young Diesel, sitting in the E46 328 Ci. Alright guys, today I'm going to be changing out my kidney grills. As you can see, only have one. Looks pretty disgusting. Yeah, I know. The lights are pretty disgusting too. We'll be switching those out soon. So let's open up this box and see what we have. We got a brand new kidney grills, nice and shiny. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with one hand, but we'll see. Yeah, engine bay is pretty dirty. This car has been sitting for a whole year, and now it's back on the road. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. But I have to clean it up, then install the grills. As you can see, it's a little more clean. Now we're gonna install them. Hopefully I can do this one hand while recording. Alright, now we have them installed. Let me know what you think. I'll be doing more mods later on. It was just a little quick install video of the kidney grills. Let me know what you think. You can comment, subscribe, share the video. I'm looking forward to your comments, whether good or bad. Let me know what you think. I have more mods to come. Well, first I have to wash this car. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks.